Hello again everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2020 BMW X1. I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades. Now the first thing we have to do is put these in the service position or fold out position because you cannot lift these wiper arms up without them hitting the hood here. Same with the passenger side blade. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, we're inside the vehicle. Make sure you have your key fob with you. You do not need to start the vehicle though. Just power it up and power it off. So hit this twice. 1, 2, and hold this lever down, and then the wipers will pop up in the service position. There we go. So now we can go ahead and change the blades. Now we can go ahead and pick the wiper arm up and lift it away from the windshield. If you look closely here, you can see there's a little square plastic button. If you push this in, it will allow you to pull straight up. Just push in right here and pull straight up. Wiper arm releases, and then simply take your new blade and push it right down in the wiper arm. It'll click and lock in. You can gently, slowly fold this back down onto the windscreen. Same thing for this side, same exact thing. Okay, now we're back inside the vehicle. Need to bring these wiper blades back down in their resting position. Let's go turn this on. All you have to do is move this wiper lever and they go right back down. And hit this again to power off. Okay, now we have the rear wiper blade to do. This is a 13-inch blade. You fold this up, and this wiper itself here actually pops straight out. You need to get a little screwdriver, slide it in there, and pop it out. Alright, get your screwdriver, insert it like so, and slowly pull down. And the wiper blade pops out like that. You can see that's what it looks like. Then you grab your new blade, and all you have to do is pop it right up inside. Here, let me show you what it looks like. It just goes right in that little slot right here. So you take your blade and line it up and just push it up in so it clicks, and that's it. You can fold this down, and that completes the wiper blade change. Well, I hope this video helped you out. Hit that like button if you liked it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.